Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to IIT Physics online class. Our second unit name is Magnetism. Synopsis 1 and 2. Types of magnets, that means artificial magnets, and magnetic compass. A compass is an instrument used for navigation and orientation that shows direction relative to the geographic cardinal directions. Usually, a diagram called a compass rose shows the directions north, south, east, and west on the compass face as abbreviated initials. Magnetic phenomena was first observed at least 2500 years ago. Magnetic stone found in ancient city of Magnesia. These magnetic attract steel or iron, nickel and cobalt, and we called magnetite. Greeks discovered the magnetic property of iron ores. This natural magnet used by mariners for navigation and was called lodestone. Materials are classified as magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Iron, steel, nickel, cobalt are magnetic in nature, whereas wood, rubber, glass and plastic are natural and artificial magnets. Natural magnets. Pieces of naturally occurring iron ore and black ore of the iron oxide Fe2O3 are called natural magnets. They have two properties. They attract small iron pieces towards them. Then, suspended freely, their ends would point in geographical north-south directions. They have irregular shape. They are weak. Artificial magnets. The substances of these magnets have small atomic magnets in them, which are oriented in random directions and it is not magnetized. When such a piece is put in south-north directions and hammered, the atomic magnets align themselves in the direction of Earth's field and become a magnet. Examples: steel alloys. Magnetic dipole. The magnet with a north pole and south pole is called magnetic dipole. Merits. They may be given a desired shape. They are very strong. Once again listen ma. Natural and artificial magnets. The magnet which is obtained from nature is called natural magnet. Lodestone. The lodestone is an example of natural magnet. The magnet which can be made from magnetic substance is called artificial magnet. Artificial magnets are bar magnet, U-shaped magnet or shoe magnet. Artificial magnets are available in various shapes and sizes. Bar magnet. The ends of bar magnet are made with the letters north and south, that is capital N and S. It is suspended freely, then the end marked north pole will point towards the geographic north and the end marks S will point towards the geographic south. Magnetic needle. It is very thin magnetized steel needle mounted on the sharp pivot. It is commonly employed for testing the polarity of given magnet. Magnetic substances. Magnetic properties of materials. In 1845, Michael Faraday put forth an idea, that is, the substances are affected by the magnets. According to the behavior of substances is magnetic field, they are classified as magnetic fields. They are classified as dia, para and ferro. Diamagnetic substances, the substances which are repelled by neither of the poles of strong magnet are called diamagnetic substances. Copper, gold, antimony, water, these are the examples of the diamagnetic substances. And diamond also one of the diamagnetic substances. Diamagnetic substances are in present magnetic field. Induction is greater outside the other material than the inside. When the suspended in a uniform magnetic field, it comes to rest the perpendicular direction to the magnetic field. Diamagnetic does not depend upon the temperature and does not obey the Curie's law. When it is kept in a non-uniform magnetic field, it moves from the region of greater field to the region of less field strength. Hence, the susceptibility is negative. The magnetic lines of force passing through these substances are less than those in vacuum. So, the relative permeability is less than 1. A diamagnetic liquid is taken in a U-tube and arranged so that one of the limbs is the uniform magnetic field. The liquid in that limb is depressed. The atoms of the diamagnetic substance do not have the resultant magnetic moment. When a diamagnetic liquid is taken in which glass and placed over the magnetic poles, which are nearer as the field is strong at the midpoint, the liquid gets depressed. When the poles are separated to a large distance, the liquid rises up at the middle as the magnetic field is weaker than at poles. Next one, paramagnetic substances. Substances which are weakly attracted by a magnet are called paramagnetic substances. In paramagnetic substances, the magnetic dipole moment of the electrons do not cancel out, resulting in some dipole moments are very negligible, resulting in some dipole moment for an atom, so that each atom of paramagnetic substance is equivalent to tiny magnetic dipole called atomic magnets. Platinum, manganese, aluminium, zinc are examples of paramagnetism. In the absence of external magnetic field, the dipole moment of the atoms are randomly oriented, and hence the net dipole moment of the substance is 0. Magnetic field induction is greater inside the material than outside. When a paramagnetic substance is kept in an external magnetic field, the tiny atomic magnets tend to align parallel to the applied field and show the temporary magnetization. These magnets are very weakly attracted the another magnetic material. As soon as the external field is removed, the atomic magnets again get randomly oriented and the substances loses its magnetism. Since paramagnetic substances are lose their magnetism or removal of external field, they cannot be used to make a permanent magnets. Diamagnets are temporary magnets and paramagnets are permanent magnets. They remove the external field of the magnet or magnetic field. The substances which are very feebly attracted by a strong magnet are called permanent magnets. Platinum, manganese, aluminium, zinc, etc. These are the examples. Fall under this heading in the presence of magnetic field in greater than magnetic field out. That is, magnetic field induction is greater inside the material than outside. Since paramagnetic materials lose their magnetism on removal of external field, they cannot be used to make a permanent magnets. Third one, ferromagnetic substances. A ferromagnetic substances is a substance that is attracted to a magnet. This attraction can be observed by a pulling force from the magnet on the ferromagnetic object. Examples of ferromagnetic substances are iron, steel, nickel, cobalt, and their alloys. Comparison of dia, para, and ferromagnetic materials. Diamagnetic materials are those substances which are feebly repelled by magnet. Paramagnetic substances are those substances which are feebly attracted by a magnet. Ferromagnetic substances are in those substances which are strongly attracted by a magnet. Examples of diamagnetic: antimony, bismuth, copper, gold, silver, quartz, mercury, alcohol, water, hydrogen, air, argon, etc. Paramagnetic substances: aluminium, chromium, alkali and alkaline earth metals, platinum, oxygen, etc. Ferromagnetic substances are iron, cobalt, nickel, gadolinium, dysprosium, etc. Diamagnetic substances, when placed in the magnetic field, the lines of force tend to avoid the substances. Paramagnetic substances, the lines of forces prefer to pass through the substances rather than air. The lines of the force tend to crowd into the specimen. Properties of magnet. Attractive property. A magnet attracts magnetic substances like iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. This property used to separate iron from mixture and also remove the dust particles. Directive property. A freely suspended magnet always aligns itself in the north-south direction. This property used to in the construction of mariner's compass. Poles exist in pairs. If a magnet is broken into two parts from the middle, then each part is found to be a magnet. Magnetic property is maximum at the poles. It is found that the property to attract magnetic substances is more at poles. Laws of magnetism. Let's perform an experiment of magnetism. Suspended magnet as shown here, allowed to come to rest. We observe that the magnet aligns itself north-south direction. Bring the south pole another magnet near the south pole of the freely suspended magnet. We observe that the south pole of suspended magnet moves away from the south pole of another magnet. Now bring the north pole of the other magnet near the north pole of freely suspended magnet. We observe that the north pole of suspended magnet moves away from the north pole of the second magnet. Thus, we conclude that the like pole repel each other. Let's now see what happened. Unlike poles attract each other. Bring the north pole in the second magnet near the south pole of suspended magnet. We observe that the poles are attract each other. Now, bring the south pole of second magnet near the north pole of suspended magnet. We observe that the poles attract each other. This shows that unlike poles attract each other. We can summarize laws of magnetism. Like poles repel each other, unlike poles, attract each other. Magnetic keepers. When two magnets apply side by side, they will be either force of repulsion or attraction between the poles of magnets. This weakens the strength of the magnet. The prevention of the magnet bar magnets apply side by side with opposite sides adjacent each other, and two pieces of soft iron applies across the poles of the magnets as shown here. Then the small strip of wood placed between magnet. The soft iron pieces are called magnetic keepers. The soft iron pieces prevents the path of field lines from the continuous loop, thus preserving the magnetism. Properties of magnet summary. Attractive property. A magnet attracts magnetic substances like iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. Directive property. A freely suspended magnet always aligns itself in the north-south direction. Poles exist in pairs. If a magnet is broken into two parts from the middle, then each part is found to be magnet. Magnetic property is maximum at the poles. Practice sheet 2, page number 67 and 68. Sheet 2, conceptual understanding questions. First question, the nature of a physical quantity is described by its dimensions. Described by dimensions. Dimensions of physical quantity can be positive, negative, 0, all of these. Dimension values we will define as the positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 values. Answer all of these. Third question, the dimensions of a physical quantity are the powers of, that is derived quantity, fundamental quantity, supplementary quantity, all of these. Answer is fundamental quantity. The physical quantity which have the same dimensional formula. Same dimensional formula ఉన్నవి ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ వర్క్, ఎనర్జీ, టార్క్, all of these same dimensional formula. Which of the following is an example of dimensional equation? How to write dimensional equation? Then always we kept in the dimensional formula in closed bracket. Here closed bracket v velocity equal to closed bracket mass, length, time. This is the correct formation of dimensional equation. Single correct answer type. Sixth question, 1 gigameter equal dash meters. Giga means 10 power 9. 10 power 9 meters. Convert 10 quintal into dash nanograms. 10 quintal means 10 power 15 nanograms. 10 power 15 nanograms. While writing the dimensional formula, the physical quantities are expressed in terms of dimensional formula. రాసేటప్పుడు దాని క్వాంటిటీస్ ఎలా రాస్తారంటే బేస్ క్వాంటిటీస్ అంటే మాస్, length, and time. These are the base quantities. To find the number of ergs on the joule. Answer, dimensional formula of energy. ఎనర్జీస్ యూనిట్ ఏంటంటే జూల్ కానీ ఎర్గ్ కానీ తీసుకుంటారు. డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. ద డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ ఇంపల్స్ ఈజ్, ఇంపల్స్కి డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే క్లోజ్డ్ బ్రాకెట్ m పవర్ 1, లెంత్ పవర్ 1, m పవర్ మాస్, లెంత్, టైమ్ ఇన్వర్స్. ఇంపల్స్ ఫార్ములా క్లోజ్డ్ బ్రాకెట్ m l t power -1. Dimensions of length is pressure is. డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాలో ప్రెషర్లో లెంత్ వాల్యూ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే -1 L power -1. The distance travelled by a body in nth second is given by Sn equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, where u is the initial velocity and a is acceleration. The dimensional formula of length, initial velocity, that means L value closed bracket in L. 13th question, select the dimensionless quantity. That base quantities లేని వాటిని dimensionless quantity అంటారు. ఇక్కడ base quantities means mass, length and time. Speed, velocity, distance, angle. Angle does not have mass, length and time. Here these all are dimensional quantities: speed, velocity, distance. 14th question, the unit of force is 1 kilonewton, the length is 1 kilometer and time is 100 seconds. What will be the unit of mass? Here force there and length there. What is the formula of force? Force F equal to ma. We want mass value. Mass here F by a. Again a value acceleration, change in velocity by time, that equal to F by v, F into t by v, that equal to force equal to 1 kilonewton. Kilo means 1000 into time 100 seconds by velocity 1 kilometer, that equal to 1000 centimeters. 1000 cancel. Here 100 kg answer. If 1 gram centimeter second inverse equal to x Newton per second, then the number x is equal to x value Newton. Newton means 10 power minus 5. X value 1. 1 into 10 power minus 5. 16th question. If unit of force is 2 newtons, that of the length is 4 meters and that of velocity is 6 meter second inverse, the unit of mass is again same formula F equal to ma. Then we will submit the force value and mass value and acceleration value. Answer is 2 by 5 kg. The following quantities have the same dimensional formula. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన వాటిలో సేమ్ డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉన్నవి ఏంటంటే ఫోర్స్ అండ్ ఇంపల్స్, ఫోర్స్ అండ్ momentum and impulse. Same dimensional formula having momentum and impulse. The velocity of a particle v at instant time t is given by v equal at plus bt square. The dimension of b is initial velocity, find it, that is L t power minus 2. 19th question, convert 10 mu g into dash ton. 10 mu g equal how many tons? That is 10 power minus 11 tons. Convert 64 seconds into dash nanoseconds. Nano means 9. Here 64 seconds into dash nanoseconds, that equal 64 into 10 to the power of 9 seconds. Answer is 64 into 10 to the power of 9 nanoseconds. Dear students, last week of this month we have IIT exams. The portion is first unit, that is units and measurements, total lesson. Dear students, kindly purchase the IIT material and this IIT marks will be includes in your main marks also. So kindly follow these IIT classes and attend to your IIT exam. You have any doubt, contact with me. Thank you and may God bless you all.